Brown's pass is deflected, stolen away by Jones. Jones running it back. Under pressure, is able to lay it home. He's had his few minutes rest. He's back into the action. Shot rims out. Claver's got in deep there. I don't know if there's a dead spot or something. Approaching the midpoint of quarter number 2. Ball deflected about. Claver comes away with it. Good fast break and the jam at the end of it for Jaime Pradilla. Oh, that is fantastic. And Pradilla with the jam. Brown, his pass is knocked away by Claver. Robertson fires up, knocks down the 3. Good strong move. And a nice finish as well. Shot clock down to 4 here. Rivas shovels it back out and another 3. And then Guillem Ferrando has the biggest lead of the game. Ooh, that's, oh, what a block! Turnover. Look at that. Tremendous. Robertson. Inside it goes to Torre, spinning along the baseline and finding room. Boubacar Torre. Look at this, he's got the size mismatch, but he spins behind the basket. Get it. Jones lobs up the alley-oop and it's hammered home by Boubacar Torre. Dropping it out of bounds, but look at this. Throw it up there and let Torre go do the rest. Brown, Cohen, back to Brown. Brown gets into the keys, blocked from behind by Davies. Well, that's the one, because it would have taken so much time out of the game. But ticking down to the end of the shot clock and score, that'd be even better, and that's exactly what they get with a beautiful spin move from Davies. His team just had a little bit more offense in the second half.